What is going on, everybody? My name is Caleb Harvey and welcome to my new YouTube channel. One of the main things I wanted to talk about in this particular video is what are my intentions as I move forward with this channel. And as of now, this is important to note that everything I'm saying is I'm just kind of making it up as I go. I have a rough plan of what I would like to achieve kind of in the long term, but I have never done this before. So there's just so much I have to learn, and there's just a certain aspect of this that I'm going to have to learn and adapt as I move forward in making videos. So one of the big things that I want to do for the first 30 days of this channel is basically document the process of figuring out how to make this YouTube channel work. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys one video a week that is going to be compiled of 5 days of vlog style videos. These videos will specifically be about how I'm structuring my YouTube channel, the things that's actually going into me making videos, getting transitions, learning new tactics and tricks and all that good stuff. We will see how that comes out because I just don't know. That's just the plan. And it's very likely this plan could kind of alter as we move forward. This is just a big growing learning experience because I just don't have a lot of knowledge in how to make good high quality videos. So that's just one of the main skills that I'm trying to hone in on. Also, the fact that I'll be able to share that with you guys is where I believe that these videos could actually create value for people. That being said, that is basically the rough plan of how it is that I plan on moving forward. And I guess we'll just go from there. So today is my first vlog style video, and I'm getting ready to take my dog here on a walk to one of our favorite spots where I can let her off the leash and, you know, she can actually run around and do her dog thing. I'll be able to take some transition shots and get some practice in on some video making stuff. So let's just go ahead and get started. I'll see you guys in the next clip. Real quick, I want to let you guys know that everything I shoot today, I'm going to just leave my camera settings on autopilot. So the focusing, the lighting, everything will be handled on auto. Maybe next week we can play around with some of the manual settings and start seeing the differences in how we can take more control over what is actually being done in the video. So I just want to let you guys in on that little tip. All right.
Alright guys, real quick, I thought this was a great opportunity for me to better explain what it was that you guys were actually seeing in this video. So I just had a couple things I was going to share with you to help you better understand what I was doing. At this point, I basically just grabbed my camera and flipped it off of selfie mode and decided to ramp up the speed to about double what it normally is. And the reason I did that is because when I was editing this video last night, I realized that it was real jumpy when I ramped up the speed, and I wasn't sure if it would stay that jumpy after I actually exported the video and uploaded it to YouTube. So it was a great experiment because I did find out that it is not that jumpy. It does actually correct that problem. So we'll talk more about the video editing software that I use in another video probably next week. The other main thing I was doing through this video was just working on transitions. That was the main concept of going on the walk and actually recording this. And I did find out some pretty unique things, which I'll talk about at the end of this video. But I just wanted to give you guys a heads up that those were the two main things that I was really trying to work on and learn about. So we're going to go ahead and jump back into the video. Enjoy.
It is starting to get hot up here, so I'm done playing around with the transitions, at least in this area. I have noticed that every time I make a transition, there is a flash of light, and I'm pretty sure that's going to be hard to avoid when I'm actually editing the video, but we're getting ready to head home, and I'll play around a little bit with the editing, and we'll see what happens. So we'll see you guys back at home. Alright guys, that brings this video to an end, and real quick I just want to give you guys a little heads up as to kind of my intentions for this coming week and my next video. My next video will be uploaded on either Friday or Sunday of next week, and my intention is to set up a system and structure that will better help me understand my scheduling for each video and what I'm going to be doing the next day. Monday, I'm actually going to start recording the activities that I'll be sharing with you guys in the video that I'll upload at the end of the week. And I just wanted to let you guys know kind of what was going on. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next video.